Right, hello. Quick update. I'm just doing some work on this gearbox. As you can see, I've got the plug and gear stick out. I need to now start to clean it and everything. And fix that blimmin' hole. Yeah. As I was saying, I've done all this wiring now, like I said in the last video. I've got the main cable on. It's there, I don't know if you can see. There. No light. Yeah, but I just bought new solenoid, brand new solenoid to go on, and they gave me a bracket as well. So we've got to paint this bracket, send down the fuel tank again. It has the we had the heater on and it was blowing loads of dust up, and it's got loads of dust on it. So yeah, I'll clean that up. Down to wings. Right. So let's start. I don't know what to do first, really. What we gotta do is we gotta clean that up, and then see where I need to clean it. Well, all the gearbox needs cleaning really, but we'll see what we need to get first. Right, back to it.